I'm gonna show you how to buy QuickBooks Desktop quick and easy. So to get started, you have to open any browser that you like, and then from there you have to type in this link right here. And then once you type in this link, you will be now redirected to their homepage. And if you have to scroll down, you will see all the available purchases. So from here we need QuickBooks Desktop. So we need to select the buy now for desktop enterprises. Also, you can also purchase QuickBooks Online so options if you only want that type of options. So from here you just have to click on buy now, and then when you also this will be the features when you buy the QuickBooks Desktop. So okay, from there we have to click on buy now here. So from here you have three options. You can purchase gold, platinum, or diamond. They have different perks and other features. For gold, you all have this list out here. You can just read it if you want to, but since we just want to select one, we just have to click on gold. So we have to select gold, and then from there you have to pick number of users, either 1, 2, or how much that you want. So from here also, if you want cloud access or you just want local only, so from there it's just gonna select local only. So after you select local only, you can have the options to pay monthly or pay annually. So from here we just have to click on pay annually, and then once after that you just have to edit if you want to edit some things, and then if you're done editing, you can just press add to cart. And then when you click on add to cart, you will be now redirected to the page where you can sign up or you sign into your account, and then input your billing options and then go to checkout. So as you can see, you can just click on sign in and sign up, and after that you just have to review your cart, or if you want to add more, you can just click on add more. And then on the step 3 you will just click on billing, and then you have to input all your details, your credit card and everything. Once you're done with that, you have to check out, and that's it. So that's how to buy QuickBooks Desktop.